Semen retention, the practice of deliberately abstaining from ejaculation, has been gaining significant attention for its transformative benefits, including enhanced mental clarity, physical energy, and spiritual growth. While the practice has deep historical and spiritual roots in many ancient traditions, such as Taoism and certain schools of yoga, it has recently been rediscovered by modern individuals seeking to improve their health, productivity, and self-control. Stay with me until the end to discover the best way to approach semen retention based on your own needs and personal experiences. Each person functions differently, and I will provide you with multiple ways to succeed, tailored to how different individuals function and respond. For beginners, starting a semen retention journey can be both exciting and challenging. The path is not one size fits all. It is shaped by personal goals, unique circumstances, and individual differences. In this video, I will provide a step-by-step approach for beginners, blending practical strategies, or street smarts, with deeper insights to help each person understand and handle their own journey, no matter their background or situation. Before we start, it's essential to understand what semen retention is and why people practice it. Semen retention is often seen as a form of self-mastery or self-discipline, where an individual refrains from releasing semen during sexual activity, including masturbation. Sexual energy is a powerful life force that can be redirected into other areas of life, such as creativity, focus, or spiritual growth. Many men, especially in today's overstimulating world, feel that they are losing vitality through excessive sexual release. By retaining semen, they can channel that energy to become more productive, healthier, and more connected to their higher selves. The first and most crucial step in practicing semen retention is understanding your personal reason for doing it. Why do you want to begin this practice? Are you looking for better focus at work or school? Are you seeking to boost your physical energy or reconnect with your spirituality? Different people are motivated by different goals. Some men practice for physical vitality, which includes increased energy, better sleep, and improved physical health. Others pursue mental clarity to reduce brain fog, increase concentration, and enhance creativity. For some, the goal is spiritual growth, seeking to connect with higher consciousness or pursue a deeper understanding of oneself. There are also those who engage in semen retention to achieve emotional balance, reduce anxiety, and increase self-control. Understanding your why will help you stay focused and determined as you begin your practice. Write down your reasons for practicing and revisit them often to remind yourself of your motivations. This personal reflection will be a key tool when faced with challenges along the way. Semen retention is both a mental and physical practice. Preparing yourself means making a commitment to stick to your goals, understanding the challenges you might face, and setting up an environment that supports your practice. Mentally, it's important to acknowledge that you will face urges, especially in the early stages. These urges can be overwhelming, but they will lessen with time and persistence. Begin by committing to small intervals, such as 1 week or 30 days, before gradually increasing your retention period. This incremental approach will help you build momentum and avoid feelings of frustration or failure. Before we move on, I would like to say if you enjoy these videos and find meaning in them, press that like button and subscribe to my channel for more knowledgeable insights on semen retention. By liking this video, you play a big role in helping me reach more people who struggle with pornography addiction, substance abuse, and impulsive behavior issues. I am truly grateful to everyone who makes a difference in our community and helps people find the light in their dark path. Moving on. Physically, begin to engage in activities that naturally boost your energy and vitality. Exercise is a great way to manage sexual energy while improving physical health. Strength training, cardio, and high-intensity workouts are excellent for building both physical and mental resilience. Meditation, especially mindfulness meditation, will help you cultivate self-awareness, control your thoughts, and reduce stress. A well-balanced diet that supports hormonal health is essential. Avoiding excessive sugar, processed foods, and stimulants like caffeine can help maintain a stable energy level, which is crucial for staying on track with your retention practice. To make semen retention sustainable, it's essential to integrate it into your daily life through routines and habits. Structure your day in a way that minimizes temptation and maximizes your energy output in productive directions. Exercise should be a regular part of your routine to keep your energy high and focused. Yoga and meditation can further support your mental and emotional well-being, helping you stay grounded and centered when urges arise. A balanced diet and proper hydration are critical components of maintaining physical vitality and mental clarity. A structured routine provides a sense of control and purpose, which can be invaluable when you face the inevitable challenges that come with semen retention. Each individual is unique, and how one practices semen retention may vary based on personality, lifestyle, and external circumstances. For example, someone who is driven and goal-oriented may find it helpful to channel their energy into work or personal projects. However, they may also be at risk of using work as a distraction from sexual urges. In this case, it's important to find a balance between productivity and self-care. These individuals should use their ambition as motivation, but ensure they are scheduling regular breaks and engaging in activities that restore their energy, such as exercise or relaxation techniques. On the other hand, those who are more socially oriented might find themselves in environments where sexual temptation is common. This could include dating, socializing, or just being around attractive people. For these individuals, it's vital to set boundaries, communicate intentions openly, and surround themselves with people who support their goals. They should also focus on deepening emotional connections rather than relying on physical attraction alone. Learning to navigate social situations while maintaining a commitment to retention requires both awareness and discipline. For the introverted or reflective types who already enjoy solitude and introspection, the challenge might not come from social pressures, but from the temptation to engage in solo sexual activities. In such cases, it's crucial to leverage the natural inclination for introspection to dive deeper into personal development, creative expression, or spiritual growth. These individuals can channel their energy into practices like journaling, reading, or meditation. Engaging in creative projects that require focus and energy will help prevent the temptation to slip into old habits. Athletes who are physically active and likely to expend much of their energy through sports or fitness may face the challenge of increased sexual urges after intense physical exertion. For these individuals, balancing physical activity with proper recovery is key. They can use their energy to push themselves harder in training, but must ensure they are getting adequate rest and nutrition to avoid burnout. The goal is to channel the heightened energy from sports or fitness into even greater physical performance, rather than succumbing to sexual release as a form of relief. Even the most dedicated practitioners will face challenges. Urges to ejaculate are natural, and setbacks are a part of the process. It's important to accept that urges are temporary and will pass. When they arise, try not to resist them in a forceful way. Instead, acknowledge them, breathe deeply, and refocus your attention on something else, whether it's a physical activity, a productive task, or a creative project. Setbacks are inevitable, but they should not define your journey. If you slip up, use the experience as an opportunity to reflect, learn from the situation, and make adjustments moving forward. Tracking your progress is a great way to stay motivated. Keep a journal where you can reflect on your experiences, challenges, and successes. This self-reflection will help you stay focused and provide a sense of accomplishment as you continue along the path of semen retention. Each small victory, whether it's making it through a week or resisting an urge, should be celebrated as part of your larger transformation. Semen retention is not just about abstaining from ejaculation. It's about harnessing and redirecting your energy for self-improvement and growth. As you progress, you will notice subtle shifts in your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Increased focus and clarity will become evident, and you will find that you have more energy throughout the day. Your emotional stability will improve, and you may feel more connected to your spiritual or personal purpose. This journey is about long-term transformation, not quick fixes. By staying consistent, patient, and compassionate with yourself, you will unlock new levels of vitality, creativity, and self-discipline. Semen retention is a personal journey, and each individual's experience will be unique. By understanding the practice, preparing yourself mentally and physically, and applying street smarts tailored to your personality and circumstances, you can embark on a successful and transformative path. Whether you're looking to enhance your energy, improve your focus, or deepen your spiritual connection, semen retention offers a powerful tool for self-mastery. Remember, the key is consistency, patience, and self-compassion. With time, you will unlock new levels of vitality, creativity, and discipline, leading to a more fulfilled and empowered life. If you made it until here, leave a crown emoji in the comments. I am doing a little experiment to see how many of you are willing to finish what they start. Thank you so much for watching. I am truly grateful. Take care and stay strong.